The small handle can be in 3 different positions. When it is in the lower position, the material to be transferred can be lifted. When it is in the middle position, the material can be safely moved. When the material is transferred to the designated position, the small handle can be pulled up and the material can be safely put down. Push the small handle down and put it at the lower position, and then press the large handle up and down to raise the oil cylinder and drive the fork up. When the material is transferred to the designated position, pull the small handle upward all the time, and the material can be safely put down. The integrated pump design simplifies maintenance, ensures reliability and long service life. All exposed parts of the whole vehicle are galvanized, including hydraulic pump, fork frame, handle, etc.